Hello everybody and welcome back to a new video. Today I'm gonna be packing again. I'm sorry about the background noise, but there's construction work next door and it's been like this all day and I need to film, so I'm sorry if you hear that. It's a bit annoying. Anyway, I'm going on a road trip, so I'm not too concerned with the liquids this time. I'm going to stay on a friend's house and I know that he doesn't have towels for me and my boyfriend to take a shower. He asked us to bring, so I'm taking that extra. Also, I'm gonna take a few of my books to give away to friends and sell to some people I know there. So that's an extra that doesn't normally travel with me. But the rest, let me go through and show you what I have. It's pretty minimalist packing this time. And I'm also going to pack my big suitcase, even though there's not much, because this is pretty bulky and the books and everything, so I prefer to take one suitcase rather than taking a backpack and then a separate bag to take this, because once we arrive, it's only one thing to take to the house and not 2 or 3. So let me go through all of this with you. Okay, so first of all, I got my bag for any dirty clothes. We have this bag where I'm taking all my toiletries. So a scrunchie to slip, my deodorant, a lotion just in case I get some problems with my skin, my daily face lotion, dry shampoo, some tissues extra, got oil for my hair. This is a prescription spray that I put on my hair. This is to represent my toothbrush and toothpaste that I'm still gonna need, and also prescription medicine that I need to take every day, and that's all going inside that little bag in there. Then I have a white thin scarf because I'm not sure if it's going to be too cold. I don't think so, but it's usually very windy in there, so this is good to protect me from any wind on my neck. Then of course the 2 towels. We have a pair of socks that I use whenever I go out instead of slippers. Then we have 2 pairs of socks for the 3 days, 2 pairs of underwear, 2 blouses that I'm gonna pair with 1 pair of black jeans. Got my pajamas, just a t-shirt and some pants, and then the clothes I'm gonna wear on the day, so I'm not gonna need actually 3 of everything in my bag, but in total they are 3 days. Finally, like I said, I got a few books to give away and sell, and then a pair of black boots on the travel day because I'm gonna be driving. I'm not gonna take these heels, but I'm gonna take another set of boots. They're about burgundy, that go with everything else, and that's it. That's all I'm bringing for this trip. So that's everything in here, because this doesn't fit properly inside of the bag. I'm either going to ask my boyfriend what he's going to do for his toiletries and join this with him, or I might take this in my backpack that I'll take during the day. In any case, it's okay. I have my bag done, toiletries done, and clothes for the day. So this was a very fast video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope this helped you pack for a trip you might have coming up too. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.